Right now, a secret drone war is happening over the world's borders. Criminal groups have begun using drones to scout border patrol movements from the sky. Authorities reported more than 42,000 drone flights near the US-Mexico border in a single year. Some drones are used to guide smuggling operations and monitor security patrols. With thermal cameras and night vision, drones can track movement even in total darkness. To counter this, governments have deployed long-endurance surveillance drones capable of staying airborne for more than 40 hours. New counter-drone systems can detect hostile drones automatically using radar and artificial intelligence. Some systems can even jam drone signals, forcing them to land or lose control. Meanwhile, Europe is developing a massive surveillance system, sometimes called the drone wall. The system would combine AI drones, radar networks, and sensors across thousands of kilometers of border. From cartel scouts to AI patrol systems, the battle for control of the skies has already begun.